State-of-the-art equipment allows Shanghai Optics to produce high-quality custom optics for your applications. As an example, take a look at the Nanotech 250 UPL. We utilize this diamond-turning lathe for the rapid production of spherical and aspheric optical lenses, mirrors, mold pins, freeform optics, and even mechanical components. Our KERN EVO CNC machining center provides high productivity through fast acceleration, feed rates, and spindle speeds up to 50,000 RPM, while assuring the highest degree of precision. The machine's advanced technology enables us to furnish our customers with lenses, mirrors, and windows with superb surface finish quality. The Zygo Z-Gauge is a 3D optical surface profiler. It provides non-contact measurement and characterization of micro and nanoscale features of surfaces. We use this instrument to ensure complete quality control and process monitoring in our manufacturing environment. Allow us to put this equipment to work for you. Contact Shanghai Optics for your next custom optics project.